It wasn't an easy game. You can see the body's tired, you know, but we kept on pushing, you know, and I'm happy that we won today and we scored many goals, you know, because we're gonna need it. Yeah, and the focus now is KZN, Royal AM. It's gonna be a difficult game, so we need to prepare ourselves. It was important, you know, to boost our confidence, you know, because we still have a chance to qualify for CAF, you know, so we needed this win. And Tonga Bajutanyona Gore, but you never support, you know. We learn push, you know. Doesn't mean I lose, I get a boom. But support are important, like today, you know, but push it, even though no little for Rona, but we kept on pushing.